My name is Marty Wilson from Adelaide. I run Fresh Front. We're an exterior clean company, and I'm here at the Softwash Australia 2022 trade show just to talk about the other side of the game, how to build a business and build something that works for you, and working out what that might be and really making your business work for you, I guess, rather than you work for it. And build something. Like, I get a kick out of building teams and building a business and seeing progress. Yeah, money's handy to live on and stuff, but I get more of a motivation out of building. So maybe finding that why, finding out why we're all doing this. The biggest mistake that people make getting into any sort of service-based business is not understanding why they're doing it. And they tend to get caught up in the day-to-day and operations and doing the thing and spraying the water and mixing the thing with the thing. And with that, other things are sacrificed: free time, profitability, family, etc. And it's about finding out why you're doing it, what your end game is, and then reverse engineering that to build something that actually works for you. That could be different for everyone. That could be a big business, that could be a small business, that could be a lifestyle business. That could be something that gets shut down in winter, or something that's 24/7. But as soon as you work out what that is, then you can work out how to get there. I was attending the trade show event because I haven't actually met Nick in person, thanks to some of those aforementioned issues I had no time to go anywhere, and COVID. Meeting people in the industry is awesome. We all smell the same, like bleach, and we're all like-minded to an extent. And also maybe just understanding some of the gaps in the industry about systems and marketing and structure and actually having direction in your business. Happy to talk afterwards. My phone's a little bit busy with work stuff, but yeah, happy to connect on social media. You think about how many plumbers and electricians there are in the world, and they can't service everyone, so the opportunity is huge. The issue we have in the industry is very disjointed, and if we can kind of standardise and do things correctly, it'll be better for everyone. You know, rising tide lifts all ships, and I think that's important. It's been great connecting with other businesses and contractors at the trade show and seeing all the toys and equipment, and yeah, look, together we can really build something special. And if you want to do it for someone who cares, maybe we should talk.